What if your phone's lock screen could tell stories? Your photos could look cinematic right out of the camera, and your icons felt more alive than ever. Well, that future is already here, because Nothing just expanded its Android 16.0 based Nothing OS 4.0 open beta to the Phone 3A and the Phone 3A Pro. After debuting Nothing OS 4.0 last month and rolling it out to the Phone 3, Phone 2, and Phone 2A series, the company is finally bringing the beta to its Phone 3A lineup. And if you've been waiting to test out the next generation of Nothing's design philosophy, now's your moment. The first thing you'll notice is the new Nothing icon design. Sleek, modern, and built to feel more consistent across apps. It's a small change, but makes the interface feel smoother, sharper, and undeniably Nothing. But that's not all. This update also introduces a brand new stretch camera preset, co-developed with acclaimed photographer Jordan Hemingway. This cinematic preset enhances your photos with deeper shadows, extended highlights, and that subtle film-inspired glow. All straight from the camera app. No filters, no editing, just a distinct, moody aesthetic baked right in. Next up, Lock Glimpse, a new feature that turns your lock screen into a living canvas. It automatically showcases high-quality wallpapers grouped into 9 categories, from nature to architecture to abstract art. But that's not all. Lock Glimpse will soon allow you to feature your own photos right on the lock screen, so every glance at your phone feels personal. Apart from these standout upgrades, the rest of the Nothing OS 4.0 experience for the Phone 3A series mirrors the earlier betas: performance refinements, improved animations, and smoother transitions across the board. If you want to test drive it, you can download the open beta right now. But there's a catch. Enrollment closes on November 7th, so move fast if you don't want to miss out. Just a heads up, beta builds aren't perfect. Expect a few bugs and hiccups along the way. So if your Phone 3A or Phone 3A Pro is your daily driver, you might want to hold off until the official release. Nothing OS 4.0 Open Beta. Smarter, bolder, and more personal than ever.